Welcome to the Fuerteventura Sand Dunes. Look at where I am, surrounded by beautiful white sand. I tell you what, this is a beautiful place to visit. Now, it's very easy to get from Lanzarote to Fuerteventura to these sand dunes, either on a guided excursion. You could do it yourself with a car if you've got a hire car. You could even get the ferry over, jump on the local bus, and it will stop you right near to the sand dunes. But a guided excursion is certainly better because you'll get plenty of time on the beach and you'll get plenty of time wandering around these dunes. So let's explore the natural park of Fuerteventura and show you these amazing dunes. Come on, let's go. If you book an island tour around Fuerteventura and one of the stops is a natural park, or you come over from Lanzarote and the tour guide takes you to these beautiful giant sand dunes, more than likely you'll stop in this area because there's so many different things here and lots of amenities to keep you comfortable on these beautiful beaches. Nestled between the two Rio hotels, you can't go wrong setting up camp here. Even if you drive here, there's plenty of parking around this area and you can also park alongside the road. Now, I said there was lots of amenities in this area. There's plenty of places actually on the beach where you can get something to eat and drink as well. There are these small kiosks which have bars and do sort of small snacks, not too much. You can't really get a full meal here, but you can get all of your refreshments. And the price is not too bad either. The most convenient thing about this area is there is a supermarket close by, right by the entrance and right by the bus stop, and a more swanky restaurant should you want to go and dine and have a little bit of lunch. And this place is open until 7 p.m. on the evening. Really well done out and has a full menu so you can grab yourself something to eat. On most of the tours, you'll get plenty of time in this area and you can choose to relax on the beach, or you can head out for a little walk into the dunes, which is what we did. You can walk along the coastline and head literally into the desert. So you're definitely not going to get me in the sea today. I don't know about Jack. Jack, you going to go in today? Well, let's have a feel. Freeze him? Well, he did go in yesterday, so I will prove it. He was in there yesterday. So there are flag warnings on the beach. For example, this part says red and a little bit further up it says yellow. So that just basically means how strong the current is. So it's not the safest place. Not always. Today's a little bit windy. But if you can't go in the sea, I'll tell you what, just walking along this coastline, listen to that. All you can hear is the sea crashing against the beach. Beautiful views there as well. But it is beautiful just walking along here, look. Incredible. What a place. These dunes literally stretch for miles and all along the coastline of Fuerteventura. I tell you, if you can get the time and you can get a car and get down there, it's well worth parking up just along the roadside here, and you can walk both sides, either by the sea or you could either cross the road and walk further into the dunes. Get your hiking boots on, or at least get some energy, because you could walk for miles. Now, when you do hire a car, do check with your insurance that you're allowed to bring it over from Lanzarote. But if you are in Fuerteventura, these are the views you'll expect on the drive down, and it literally opens up and has sand either side of the road. It is one of the best drives I've ever been on. It is beautiful. You can see all the way over to Lanzarote, and like I said, if you like the sand, you like the dunes, you like the sun, and you like the sea, well, you cannot go wrong with the natural park here in Fuerteventura. It's stunning. Now, the further away from the hotel you go and the further into the dunes, well, the less clothes you see. There is quite a few nudist people around here. Now, Mr. TravelOn, as you know, I'm not a beach fan. I can't see the point in lying for hours in the sun. I've got too many things to do, but there are plenty of naked people in this part of the sand dunes. And well, you know what I say? If you're willing to get it out in public, you haven't got a care in the world, have you? And they've got plenty of time on their hands. So here we go, look at this. There is sand for absolute miles. These beautiful sand dunes. They've filmed many a film and TV program here, and you could literally walk for miles. So when you do come on one of the excursions, or you make your own way to the dunes, then the best place to be is by the 2 hotels there as a sort of base, and then you can walk your way all the way along like we have, and you could walk for miles, to be honest. And just on the other side you can cross the road and there's even more views up there. Let's see what we can see. So you literally feel like you're in the middle of the Sahara Desert. Look at this. We're going to head up to that highest point there, but look, there is literally nothing around us. Nothing at all. Like being Lawrence of Arabia in the desert. And luckily we've got a bottle of posh water, no messing. So here we are, we made it. We're on top of the world. Well, we're not actually, we're on top of one of the big sand dunes, and the views are incredible. You got that way mountains and more sand. This side you've got the sea. I can see over to Los Lobos, the uninhabited island, and you know what, I can even see over to Lanzarote. The views are stunning. Why wouldn't you want to come to the sand dunes? I'll tell you why, Mr. TravelOn, because of the sand. I tell you what, it was driving me mad, so I went and washed my feet.
Mr. TravelOn is so done with the sand, he's gone to the hotel and I've lost him.
I'm like David Hasselhoff, don't worry Jack, I'm back. I tell you what, this sand has driven me to the point of insanity. I don't like sand, but I did it for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was us in the natural park of Fuerteventura, the giant sand dunes. I'm going to go off and see how many naked people I can count on the way back. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. If you're coming here, you're going to have an amazing time. And don't forget, if you want to book a trip from Lanzarote to Fuerteventura to see the sand dunes, or if you're in Fuerteventura and you want to do a tour that includes this, go to our website, www.travelon.world. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. See you later.